There are a lot of sellers on Etsy who are completely overlooking this niche or approaching it completely wrong. And that's what makes it a huge opportunity for you this spring. Graduation season is coming fast, and families, friends, loved ones are out there looking for meaningful gifts, party decorations, favors, and so much more for this big milestone season. But here's the thing that other people are not talking about and that I love about this graduation niche is that yes, there is a peak in April, May, and June every year, but graduations are actually happening year-round. There's a lot of graduations in August and December and throughout the year, especially for professional degrees. And so we are going to learn today how to capitalize on that for your Etsy shop. So today I'm going to be doing a deep dive into one of my very favorite niches, the graduation niche. What is working, what isn't, and what 3 products do I recommend selling for this special time? Hey there, my name is Emily. I am a multi-6-figure Etsy print-on-demand seller and mom of 2 who came from the world of education and has now somehow found myself in this fun and exciting world of entrepreneurship and selling print-on-demand on Etsy. And I love helping others be able to start, grow, and scale their own Etsy shops. My goal is to always give you practical tips that I actually use in my own shop as well, so that you know I am in here in the trenches with you. All right, so let's deep dive into graduation. And what's so fun is I've actually been focused on the graduation niche the last few weeks and really doing a deep dive into the research of what is working and what isn't, and what's going to really be big this spring and summer. Now, if you recall, several weeks ago, I posted a video about spring niches you should consider selling. And I shared that the graduation niche was the one my first year that absolutely exploded my sales that spring and summer. So this has been a niche that is always near and dear to my heart, and I still am selling it actively in my shop every single day. So why is the graduation niche such a powerful print-on-demand niche? Well, let's break it down. You all know I love the idea of gift products. You also know that I love the idea of special milestone events and parties. And the graduation niche really brings all of those together. Etsy buyers are often coming to Etsy because they're looking for something specific. They are looking for that special person who is graduating and hitting that milestone in their education and their career. And they want something meaningful, right? They want something that they can't just go down the street and buy at a chain store. They want something custom. They want something special for that degree, for that year. And that's what makes Etsy such a wonderful platform, is that buyers can come there and know they can find something different, something special, and something meaningful. So let's talk about standing out, because one of the things that I hear pushback on a lot is that, well, isn't that niche a little oversaturated? And honestly, no, it's not. But there are certain things that I recommend doing to stand out, especially if you are a new shop on Etsy. What I see many new sellers do is put something like class of 2026 on a product and hope that it sells. But generic is not the way to success on Etsy. Generic is oversaturated. Generic is too competitive. And so what we want to do is get a little more specific with who we are selling to. So let me give you an example of this. Something generic might be a graduation gift, but something better would be a nursing school graduation gift or an occupational therapy graduation gift. Those are getting specific with the type of degree and the person, and that is what Etsy buyers want. So you can see in that example how we went from one giant category and narrowed it down to a more specific customer. And I call this whole idea the person plus moment formula, which you may have heard me talk about, but it's really just figuring out specifically who is that person that you're selling for and what is the moment. So in this case, it might be a nursing school graduate as our person, and the moment is graduation. Another example example, would be a law school student, and the moment would be their graduation. So thinking about combining these elements, the person and the moment, and putting those together to create a unique and meaningful gift. And here's the thing that I feel like a lot of us as newer sellers or those who may not have experience yet in this space might feel is that, well, aren't I limiting who I'm selling to? And honestly, the reality is the opposite. I have found that if you get more specific, you face less competition, and therefore your listings are seen by Etsy buyers instead of competing with thousands of listings that all look very similar. Okay, so the first thing that's going to help you stand out is getting really clear about who you're selling to in the graduation niche. And the second thing that's going to help you stand out is really thinking about your design and leaning into themes or trends that might be popular in the graduation space. And when I say trends, I don't necessarily mean the most modern, up-to-date trends. But what we're really looking for is what is working for the buyers in that specific space. So, for example, we talked about nurses. And when it comes to nursing candles and gifts, what works a lot of the time are humorous candles, funny candles that speak a nurse's language. When we're talking about lawyers, what's working in the law space, in the law school graduation space, is clean, minimal, professional. And so it's not necessarily about having the most up-to-date trends, but it is being able to understand what the buyers are looking for in that specific space, which again is why it's so important to narrow down who you're targeting so that you know exactly how to design for them. So I want you to go into Etsy or do a Google search and look for specific graduation items, party decorations, favors for your identified customer. And I want you to look at what color palettes are working, what fonts are working, what types of products are working in that space. And I want you to target those customers. Now, if you are looking at creating party decorations for the graduation party space, another thing you'll want to look for are graduation party themes, things that are really trending in that space that might hit on things for high school graduates or moms that are planning graduation parties for their kids. And that's another thing you're going to want to look for as well. So again, step 2 to standing out is going to be figuring out what that specific customer in that graduation niche is looking for. It's not going to be uniform across the board. It's going to matter who your specific customer is in that graduation space and creating designs with the right colors, fonts, and style that is fitting for them. And the third thing that will help your listing stand out in the graduation space is really a must do, and that is personalization. Now, personalization is key in the graduation space. And why is that? Because this is honestly a space where people want their products customized to celebrate their big achievement, whether it's their class of year or their professional degree program. Maybe they've become a doctor and they want something that says Dr. So-and-so on it. This is going to be a key element in this graduation space. And it's going to help you stand out because you need to offer that so that they can get that one-of-a-kind, unique, meaningful product that they can't just go down the street and buy. All right, so I promised you that I would share 3 of my very favorite products to sell in the graduation space, and I'm going to dive right into those now. And these are all sold through one of my favorite print partners, Printify. And I have worked with Printify since day one and have had the most incredible experience working with them. And these 3 products I have truly vetted. I have sold many of these and they always get really incredible reviews. So the first product is the glass mug. This is sold through Printed Mint on Printify. And what I love so much about this is it's a mug, yes, but it's a very elevated look to the mug. It feels like a real gift. It doesn't feel like a cheap gift. It looks beautiful. They're packaged really nicely. And this glass mug has a higher perceived value than maybe a ceramic mug. So when we're thinking about some of those professional degrees like lawyers and doctors, glass mugs will do really well because again, they look so nice. They look high end and they print incredibly well from Printed Mint. So this is one that I have absolutely loved selling over the years and that I will continue to list in my Etsy shop. The second product that I absolutely love should be no surprise to anyone who's watched any of my other videos, which is the hardcover journal. I have sold many of these in the graduation space, and these hardcover matte journals from District Photo are truly just one of my very, very favorite products. There are a lot of opportunities out there in the graduation space. You'll see a lot of opportunity in the nurse space, in the lawyer space, in all these different careers where someone might be graduating or hitting a milestone. And what I love about the hardcover matte journals is they're very durable, they print really beautiful, and you can have very simple designs that sell really well on these. And the third product is one that has a near and dear place in my heart because it is the origin story of me selling giftable products on Etsy, and that is a candle. And Printify has a lot of incredible candles that they sell. Today, I'm going to highlight the amber and clear jar candles, also from Printed Mint. And I have sold quite a number of these over the years, and they come in both a 4-ounce and a 9-ounce jar, which gives you some versatility. So it's at a price point that a lot of people can access, which makes it a great gift, especially for something like a graduation. These three products, the glass mug, the hardcover matte journal, and the amber and clear jar candles, are all available on Printify, and these are all ones that I have personally sold many of over the last 3 years, especially in the graduation niche, and I expect them to do just as well, if not better, this upcoming spring and summer. I feel like the graduation niche is a little bit underrated, and I feel like it's one that's easy to write off as too competitive. But if you follow those steps that I outlined today, really narrowing down the person plus moment formula for your product, designing with that person in mind, thinking of the trends and the themes and the style that you should be using for them, personalizing your product, and then pairing it with one of these giftable products that I shared, it's a recipe for success for this graduation season and for all year, because as I mentioned, there are graduations honestly happening all year round. The peak season, though, is coming fast. So now is the time to be designing for this niche so that you can enjoy those sales coming in, especially at the end of April into May and June. So I would love to hear from you in the comments. Are you planning to sell in the graduation niche, or is it a niche that you've already sold in? And if you need more support being able to start, grow, and scale your own Etsy shop and talking about things like this and how to implement it in your shop, don't forget to check out the Gift Lab community. I'm going to link that below. And what I love about our community is you get 7 days free to try it. And that's really important because it gives you the chance to make sure it's the right fit for you. But right now, our students are absolutely focused on graduation as a main niche, and we are rocking and rolling in the Gift Lab community. And if this video was helpful for you, I would love for you to hit that like or subscribe button below, and make sure to tune in next week. My name is Emily, and I'll see you in the next one.